What's up, guys? So what we have here is my new camera. This is a Canon Rebel T100 with the 18 to 55 millimeter lens kit. So I want to do an unboxing on this today. It's windy outside. Hopefully that doesn't come through. I'm sure it is, but whatever. So right now I'm recording. I just want to go through my cameras really quick. I won't go through the old ones. We'll start with the one I'm recording on. This is a Canon Vixia RF52, I think it is. I love the camera, but it is limited. One of the main purposes for buying that camera is because I could use an external microphone on it, where my old Sony camera I could not. And as you can see, my whole purpose for spending, I think I paid like $600 for that camera with all the accessories when I bought it. Now you could probably get it for 20 bucks. And as you could see by the audio, I'm not using the external microphone. It's just a pain in the butt. So when I started really focusing on videos on this channel, I purchased another camera, and that is this guy right here. This is a GoPro Hero 7. I think we're up to the 9 now. I use this to shoot the video for almost everything on this channel. I love this camera, but it's also very limited. Now, as expensive as this camera was, I didn't really want to use it for action stuff because I don't want to destroy it, and this is like my lifeblood of my channel. So because of that, I purchased not one, but two of these guys, and these are a Vivitar DVR 757 HD. You might remember the video we did on this channel kind of reviewing these two cameras. I haven't hardly used them at all, once or twice. I should spend more time using them, I just don't. I use this GoPro so much. But I have the capability of shooting in 4K with my GoPro. I have lots of capabilities with that camera. I have lots of capabilities with the cameras I use. One of the capabilities I do not have is shooting still shots. And the option to, I think I can actually add lenses to that camera. I don't know. But I don't have the option for lenses for the most part, or to shoot still shots. That's where this Canon T100 comes in. So let me, really quick here, I didn't even turn on my light. How embarrassing is that? I'm not even sure it's going to do, oh, you know what? Let's get rid of it. That doesn't even do any good, does it? So let's open this up. We'll see what's in the box. I kind of already know what's in the box because I researched it a little bit. We've got a strap, sweet. We've got a 32 gigabyte Ultra SD card. I've got a 128 gigabyte SD card here, but it's a micro SD with an adapter. I don't know if it'll work with this camera. Instructions. We're not going to worry about reading all this stuff right now. We will look at it later. Set it right up here. We want to see our new camera. I'll set this down here. Oh, I'm getting nervous. This camera was expensive. It wasn't like super expensive. $329 is what it costs. It's a pretty sweet looking camera. It's pretty solid. So my options were the T100 or the T7. I went with the T100 because the only notable options that I saw is the T7 had like an automatic flash, which I don't need that. And the T100 was like I think it was a 2.8 or 2.9 inch screen on the back. And the T7 was a 3-inch screen. Other than that, there was no other better options. So we went with this. Let's see what else comes in the box. We have a battery, which we're going to want to get plugged in pretty quickly so we can get this thing charged up and play with it. I'm excited about this, guys. I really am. I have never ever had a point and shoot camera of this quality. I got a case for it. You can see right here too. I don't know if I'll use that. That's kind of little, but I might use it. And let's see what else is in the box. We've got our charger. You know what? Before we go any further, let's get this charger plugged in so we can start charging a battery. I've got one of the Vixia batteries right here plugged in and charging. Oh, okay. Charge light's on. Sweet! Alright. Back to work. What is this? What in the world? Oh, this is the lens. This is the lens kit that it came with. Awesome. God, I feel like I'm going to break it. Oh, okay. So it's covered on both sides. Oh, there's the lens there. I have a lot to learn with these cameras. Oh, okay, so that just unthreads and comes off. Oh, sweet. That would be the zoom there. So anyway, guys, I'm going to get this charged up. I'm actually going to put this camera on that tripod, and we're going to come back and see the difference in video. So stand by. All right, guys, so I think it's working. I don't know yet. I'm still learning a lot. So here is my HFR 52 Vixia. This is what we started this video on, and now we're on this Canon T100. I have a lot to learn about this camera. There's so many settings, and I think I just got the basic down, if it's working at all. I don't even know if it's working at all now. I hope it is, but so this is it for now. I'm going to play a lot with this the rest of the day, with some still shots, some video, whatever I can do. And I really look forward to making a video in the future. This is just kind of my unboxing and first impressions, and I'm impressed so far. I look forward to making a video, like I don't know, a 6-month review on how it's worked. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet, but I'm definitely going to be using it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.